Over 2 acres, a generator, and my 2 favorite pizza places are less than 5 minutes away. Welcome to 24703 McBee Place. Let's check it out. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath home is just under 1,800 square feet and is nestled on over 2 acres in Magnolia, Texas. Inside, you'll find vaulted ceilings, a 2-way fireplace, a huge laundry room, and a great split floor plan with 2 bedrooms on one side of the home and the primary bedroom on the other. This home is jam-packed with updates and upgrades, including a recently renovated primary bathroom, tankless water heater, recently replaced roof, a front and back sprinkler system, hardship driveway, and so much more. It also has one of our area's favorite upgrades currently, a generator. If you've been looking for a tranquil place to come home to at the end of a long day, this is it. Relax in your covered back patio overlooking your serene backyard and wooded tree line. Take in the beautiful sounds of nature, enjoy your pond, or tend to your garden. Your large 3-car garage gives ample room to store your toys or explore your hobbies. A small section of the garage has been turned into a temperature-controlled storage room for anything you don't want the Texas heat getting to. This home is a rare find. So what are you waiting for? Pick up your phone and schedule an appointment. This gorgeous property can't wait to officially welcome you home.